Right now, there is a silent math equation running in the background of your bank account, and it is engineered to do one thing: keep you broke forever. It's not your fault you're stuck in this loop, but if you don't change your strategy today, you will hand over thousands of dollars in interest to the banks this year alone. In this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint to kill your debt, even if you think your income is too low to do it.
Look, the traditional advice tells you to just spend less on coffee or make a stricter budget. That advice is garbage.
When you're trapped under high-interest credit cards or loans, budgeting alone feels like trying to empty the ocean with a spoon.
The real enemy isn't your spending, it's momentum. When you pay just the minimum balances, 80% of your money goes straight to interest. You aren't paying off your past, you are funding the bank's future. To break free, we need to choose a battle strategy.
It's too late. Method 1. The Debt Snowball. Strategy number 1 is called the Shouting Debt Snowball.
Here's how it works. You list all your debts from the smallest balance to the largest balance. Ignore the interest rates for a second. You pay the absolute minimum on everything except the smallest debt. Every extra dollar you can find goes into crushing that tiny balance.
Why? Because of psychology. When that first small card hits zero, your brain gets a massive hit of dopamine. You realize, wait, I can actually do this. Then, you take the money you were paying on that first debt and roll it into the next smallest. Like a snowball, your repayment power gets bigger and faster with every single win.
Method 2. The Debt Avalanche. Strategy number 2 is the mathematical opposite. The Debt Avalanche.
Instead of looking at the balance, you look at the interest rate. You list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. You throw all your extra cash at the highest interest card first, usually credit cards charging 24% or more.
Mathematically, the avalanche is the smartest move.
It saves you the most money because it stops the highest interest bleeding instantly. But here is the catch. If your highest interest debt is also your biggest balance, it might take months or even a year to see your first total victory. If you lose motivation easily, the avalanche can feel like an endless uphill battle.
What was that?
The showdown!
So, snowball or avalanche? Which one actually wins? Ah. If you need quick emotional wins to stay motivated, choose the snowball. Personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head math.
But if you are strictly disciplined, hate losing money to interest, and care only about the cold, hard numbers, choose the avalanche.
Pick one right now. Dedicate yourself to it, because switching back and forth halfway through is exactly how you lose your momentum.
Are you going with Team Snowball or Team Avalanche? Whispers, if you want more practical blueprints to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button right now. Your journey to financial freedom starts with the very next choice you make. See you in the next video.